In this video, we will go over how to calculate percent-based price changes, including discounts, sales tax, and markups. Welcome back to my channel, Numerics with Nadia, and let's get into our lesson objectives for today. Our first lesson objective is that we will be able to calculate discounts and determine the final price after a percentage off. Then our second lesson objective is to compute sales tax and find the total cost of an item. And our third lesson objective is to understand markups and how they affect the selling price. We also want to be able to apply these concepts to real-world scenarios because topics like discounts, sales tax, and markups actually show up a lot in the real world, such as in business pricing, as well as, of course, shopping. So now that we've gone over our lesson objectives for today, let's go through here and just define the three common applications of percent-based price changes, which, as we have gone over already, would be for discounts, sales tax, and markups. Now, what is a discount? Let's go through and define it. A discount is a percentage decrease in price, and this we often see when we're shopping based off of a sale or a certain promotion going on. What is sales tax? Sales tax is a percentage increase added to the original price, and markups are also a percentage increase in the selling price set by businesses. So we know if we have a discount, our total amount will be decreasing because it's a percentage decrease, whereas for sales tax and markups, our percentage would be increasing. If you guys haven't watched my last video on percentage increases and decreases, I'm going to go ahead and tag it right here for you guys. And once you have watched that, come back to this video. And now we will get into how to calculate discounts. So I've put together a little formula for you guys. When we're calculating a discount, we're going to split it into two steps. The first step being how to find the discount amount, and the second step being how to find the final price. So to find the discount amount, you're going to take the original price and multiply it by the percentage value. So if it's 50%, just 50, that value over 100. And then to find the final price for step 2, we take the original price and we subtract the discount amount that we found in step 1. So I'm writing an example out for you guys to be able to practice this. Let's say a jacket costs $80 and it is on sale for 25% off. We want to find the final price. What we will do is we will go through those two steps. First, we will find the discount amount. Our original price here is $80. So we will do 80 times, the discount percentage is 25%. So we would do 80 times 25 over 100. When we do that, we know 25 over 100 is the same as 0.25. So it's the same as 80 times 0.25. You guys will be able to use calculators on these types of problems. So when we do 80 times 0.25, you end up getting 20. Now that we found the discount amount, we'll go through and find the final price. The final price here, again, is our original price minus the discount amount. So our original price here was 80 minus the discount amount of $20. That means that the jacket, the final price of the jacket after the sale, would just be $60. And that wraps up our example on how to calculate discounts. Now let's get into how to calculate sales tax. So here our formula is pretty similar. We take two steps here to solve. We first will find our sales tax, and in doing that, we'll take our price and multiply it by the tax rate over 100. To find our total cost, what we'll do is we'll take our original price, and instead of a discount where we subtracted, here we will add our sales tax. So our example here says a phone costs $600 and the sales tax is 8%. We are going to be looking for the total cost. So what we will do, we'll split it up into two steps. In order to find the sales tax, we'll take that cost of the phone. The price is $600, so we will do $600 times our tax rate here is 8%. So we'll do 600 times 8 over 100. 8 over 100 is the same as 0.08, so that would be like multiplying 600 times 0.08. When we do that, we get 48. So now that we have our sales tax amount, in order to find the total cost, we'll take the original price, which was $600, and add our sales tax. and we will get $648 as our total cost for this phone. Now let's get into how to calculate markups. The formula for markups is we take that cost price and multiply it by the markup percentage over 100. Once we do that, we'd move on to step 2. In order to find the selling price, we'll take the original cost price and add the markup amount. So let's go through our example for the markups. Let's say that a store buys shoes for $50 and marks them up by 40% to sell for a profit. So same as all of the other types of examples we've done, our first step is to find that markup amount. What we will do is we'll take that cost price, which is $50, and we will multiply it by 40 over 100, right? It's 40%. Our markup percentage is 40, so we will do 50 times 40 over 100. That is the same as 50 times 0.40. And when we use our calculator, we get $20. So that would be our markup amount. That's step 1. Now we'll do step 2. In order to find the selling price, we'll take the initial cost price, which was $50, and add the markup amount, which is $20 here. So we would do $50 plus $20 to get the selling price of $70. That wraps up all of our practice examples for today. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to comment them down below. And before we wrap up today's video, I just wanted to touch on the real-world applications once more. So in shopping, understanding sales prices and how much you're really saving, for budgeting to know how much extra to expect when you're paying for items with sales tax, and business and retail setting prices for products to ensure profitability. So there are a lot of real-world applications for the calculations we went through today. And also a key takeaway. The key takeaway is discounts will lower the price, whereas sales tax increases the price, and markups help businesses make profit, which also would increase the price if you're a consumer. So I just wanted to end off by saying that mastering these calculations can help you with smarter shopping and making better financial decisions. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please feel free to like it if you did, comment any questions or any other video topics you would like to see down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys next time.